Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, you were trying to actually cancel a return in Amazon shopping or Amazon.com, but you didn't know how to do it. So in today's small tutorial, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do so. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So first thing first, we're gonna go open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. It doesn't really matter if you are on a mobile, iOS, Android, or desktop Windows, or even macOS. Go to the Amazon.com or Amazon shopping app. Tap on the link, then go all the way to access your account by logging in using your email address and password. So, it's time now to go to My Orders and Returns. You will be able to see the active return or the active refund. Just tap on cancel, return, and confirm. As for some tips, you can only cancel before dropping the item off. Once the return is fully shipped, it can't be cancelled, so keep it in mind. Make sure you think about it before even sending the item. Then, if you are really basically you want to send the item, if you want to keep it, you should think about these details before even going through this return prompts. And that's the main idea here. You can even access your account settings by tapping here. You can even access Prime. You can even see the business account, the gift cards. You can check your addresses, payments. All of these options are here. So don't worry. And thank you all for watching. And I will see you all in the next video.